Hi guys, Mission Rights here. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today's video is about to be about your edges. And what I mean by that is there could be one simple thing that you're doing that is hurting your edges. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, then keep on watching. A lot of us suffer from thinning edges. Our edges are not as fruitful as when we were younger. Kind of figure out there could be one of many reasons as to why this is happening. So if you wear makeup like me, you love to contour, you love to put foundation on, you love to beat your face, right? So when you're contouring, actually let's go back. So when you're putting on foundation, you're putting it all over your face. You're not skipping your forehead, as you shouldn't. You should not be skipping your forehead. Your cheek should not be different from your forehead. So you're putting foundation on your forehead. Your edges are here, right? You can't have a line of demarcation, so you're putting on your foundation, you're blending it into your edges, you know, you're contouring or you're bronzing, you're making sure it's blended up here and everything. Okay, that's all good and dandy, you know. However, when you're taking off your makeup at night, you're using either micellar water, however you say it. You know I can never say that word. You're either using a makeup wipe, you're using a cleansing oil, whatever the case may be. The point is that you're cleaning off your makeup, or so I hope so. You know, no judgment here, but I hope you're taking off your makeup at night. So when you're taking off your makeup, you're obviously taking off your foundation and your bronzer, contour that is around your edges. But after you wash your face, are you worrying about your edges? Let's just understand that makeup have chemicals in them. So you're putting chemicals on your edges, then you're wiping your edges off with more chemicals and drying formula such as makeup wipes and micellar water. They're drying to your edges because they're not meant for your edges. And then you're washing your face and probably just moisturizing your face and going to bed. Now, moisturizing your edges comes with your hair routine. Unless you're not doing your hair every day, say as you see in my clips here, I was in my protective style, my crochet locks protective style. I wasn't focused on my edges when I'm taking off my makeup because I'm taking off my makeup and focusing on my face at that moment. However, when you are putting makeup around your edges, you also need to think about your edges in your skincare routine. Are you following along with me? So when you're taking off your makeup, you clean your face, all of that, you need to moisturize your edges because your edges are getting wet in the shower. They're getting dried by the cleansing products and all that. You have to figure out your edges. If not, your edges are going to be broken off by the chemicals in the makeup, the chemicals in your, you know, cleansing products, and you're not doing anything about it to kind of combat that. So girl, I need you to make sure you are hydrating and paying attention to your edges, especially if you are a makeup wearer. So as you see in this clip, I like to use my Khmer Rose Edge Balm or whatever it's called. It has castor oil in it and biotin in it, and it's a very creamy type of consistency and it's very moisturizing. And I also use Jamaica Black castor oil just to promote growth and because it's a very thick oil. That's what I've been doing lately when I kind of notice I'm washing my face and my edges are wet and I'm like, I'm taking off my makeup. I have foundation in my, you know, around my edges, but I'm not treating my edges. I'm not giving it any extra loving. So I think that's probably one of many possible reasons why I think we makeup wearers are suffering from thinner, slightly thinning edges. So pay attention to that. Give it a try. I'm not saying I have solved all your edges problems. I'm just saying this could be one of many reasons why your edges are probably thinning. So tonight, when you're taking off your makeup, just pay a little more attention to your edges. Make sure it's thoroughly cleaned for one. Make sure your makeup is completely out of your edges, and make sure you hydrate your edges after that. Just wanted to come on here and kind of just tell you something that I've noticed myself, and I always try to come on here and tell you things that I've kind of found out myself, kind of like how I found out that Eco Salad Gel had protein in it and was the reason why my edges were thinning. So I'm always going to come on here and kind of tell you guys things that I've noticed myself because it could probably help you. So I hope this helped you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And side note, I got you on the hair beats. This hair will be in the description bar. Go ahead and check it out. And also, my previous video on this hair will be in the description bar too. So I got you, girl. I know you was gonna ask me about this hair. I knew as soon as you clicked this video, you was like, "Ooh, girl, what's that hair you wearing?" I got you. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.